the universe, an endless darkness filled with billions of galaxies. And within each galaxy, billions of stars. We exist on a small planet, in a structure far greater than we can truly comprehend. But now, we know something extraordinary. We might not be alone. In recent years, astronomers have discovered more than 6,000 planets beyond our solar system. These are called exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars. But most of them are completely hostile to life. Some are so close to their stars that their surfaces are oceans of molten rock. Others are so far away that they are frozen solid. Yet among these thousands of worlds, scientists have identified something remarkable. 45 planets with the highest potential for life. These planets were not chosen at random. They meet very specific criteria. First, distance. A planet must orbit within what scientists call the habitable zone. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist. Because where there is liquid water, there is a chance for life. But that alone is not enough. The planet must also be rocky, like Earth. It must have a stable surface. And most importantly, it needs an atmosphere. An atmosphere regulates temperature, blocks harmful radiation, and creates the conditions necessary for life to emerge. This is why these 45 planets represent some of the most promising worlds ever discovered, and some of them are closer than you might think. About 40 light-years away, there is a star system known as TRAPPIST-1. This system contains 7 planets, and several of them lie within the habitable zone. Even more fascinating, these planets receive a similar amount of energy to what Earth receives from the Sun, which means, in theory, they could have oceans, clouds, and perhaps life. But how can we know? The answer lies in one of humanity's most powerful tools, the James Webb Space Telescope. Instead of directly seeing these planets, it studies their atmospheres. When a planet passes in front of its star, a small portion of starlight filters through its atmosphere, and that light carries clues. If molecules like water vapor, oxygen, or methane are present, they leave signatures in the light. And we can read those signatures. In a way, we are searching for life by studying light itself. But perhaps the most astonishing truth is even closer to home, our own story. Because everything in the universe, including us, comes from the stars. Billions of years ago, massive stars exploded in violent events called supernovae. In those explosions, heavy elements were formed and scattered across space. Carbon, oxygen, iron. Over time, these elements came together to form planets, and eventually, life. Which means we are made of stardust. Every atom in your body was once part of a star. And now, we look back at the universe that created us. And somewhere out there, on a distant world, there might be something else, looking up at the sky and asking the same question. Are we alone? Science is getting closer to answering that question with every passing day. And for the first time in human history, we may be closer than ever to discovering the truth.